Hi, thanks for clicking the video. A sub to this channel will be well appreciated. FOSSIBOT, one of the fastest rising smartphone brands in the world, is launching a brand new rugged phone, the FOSSIBOT F102, and it will be a successor to the famous FOSSIBOT F101. FOSSIBOT F102 comes with cool design and one of the best camping flagship phones in the rugged phone category. This rugged phone is also packed with cutting-edge features which I will talk about later in this video. In terms of photography, FOSSIBOT F102 comes with a 108 megapixels primary rear camera, combined with a 20 megapixels night vision camera and a 5 megapixels macro lens. With the powerful Samsung sensor in the phone, the FOSSIBOT F102 delivers stunningly detailed and very clear pictures, even in low light. There is also AI photography that enhances the experience. The AI will automatically recognize the scene or landscape, in order to give you a perfect shot every time. The 20 megapixel Sony IMX350 night vision camera lens on FOSSIBOT F102 will allow clear photography in the darkest of environments, with an impressive shooting distance of close to 50 meters. This lens is perfect for photography enthusiasts or anyone who loves capturing the beauty of nighttime scenes, cause it will provide unmatched clarity even in darkest surroundings. You also get 5 megapixels micro lens for some cool macro shots. FOSSIBOT F102 also comes with a solid 32 megapixel Sony IMX616 sensor for a cool front camera selfie, so that you can capture some of your best moments. Beyond just photography, however, one of its standout features is the powerful 3-watt ultra-bright camping light, equipped with 300 tiny LED lights. But before I talk about the cool camping light at the back, let's talk about the specifications. The FOSSIBOT F102 comes with 6.58-inch display, with an impressive 120Hz refresh rate, a 20:9 aspect ratio and a 2408 by 1080p display. The FOSSIBOT F102 comes with a powerful MediaTek Helio G99 octa-core processor, built on a 6nm process, paired with up to 20 GB of RAM. Which means it comes with a 12 GB of main RAM and 8 GB of virtual RAM, and it will be powered by optimized Android 13. The F102 also offers large internal storage of 256 GB and support for up to a 2 TB of external card. That means you have enough space to store photos, videos, music, and other essential files, without having to worry about storage space. The combination of these specs means that the F102 delivers an exceptional user experience, whether in gaming, streaming videos, or just professional work. As for the camping feature, as I said earlier, the FOSSIBOT F102 comes with 3 levels of brightness on the camp light at the back: full brightness of 495 lumens, half brightness of 246 lumens, and a quarter brightness of 120 lumens. The F102 can effortlessly light up the entire campsite, ensuring safety and convenience during nighttime adventures. The huge camp light will serve as a reliable SOS signal light in emergency location, providing peace of mind during important situations. You also don't have to worry about the battery running out anytime soon, because of the big camping light at the back, as the FOSSIBOT F102 comes with a very massive 16,500 mAh battery, which guarantees astonishing standby time of up to 50 days with a SIM card inserted. You also get a 33-watt fast charger which enables users to charge the phone battery to 90% in just 3 hours, and reach a full charge in 4 hours. The rugged design of the F102 makes it capable of withstanding tough conditions, as it has IP68 for water and dust resistance, and IP69K for high temperature resistance, and it has military standard 810H certification for toughness. FOSSIBOT F102 is a rugged phone great for camping and outdoor enthusiasts. This flagship rugged phone is designed to cater to the needs of those who work or venture into the great outdoors. As part of the world premiere deal, FOSSIBOT is given a special but very limited offer on their official store at Aliexpress. From August 21st to August 27th, customers can purchase the F102 for the exclusive price of $169.99 using store coupon codes. The links and details will be in the description below. FOSSIBOT is also currently conducting a promotion on its official website, giving away F102 to some lucky customers and some free sports watches. So be sure to visit their store if you are interested in these offers. Again, the details will be in the description below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment and watch our other videos.